around. It's a last day for the Humpy Heroes. It's a last day for the fans to really come out here in the Chamundi Vihar Indoor Stadium and enjoy the Gosalia. Strong left corner, top defender of the series out there in that left corner along with Anuj Saini on the right.
गौड़ा होंगे, मधु कवीरप्पा होंगे, एस कृष्णा कुमार और देवानाथन, जिनकी हम लगातार पिछले कई मुकाबलों से
Been asked by Sahil of what went wrong with the Humpy Heroes. Yeah, as I said, apart from Gagan Gowda, everything has gone wrong because no friendship, no coordination, and not even I think a single time, Harshit. Oh, Madhu Kavirappaa starts well. Finally, first points in the first raid that he's gone ahead, and it's a super raid. Oh my God, this is history in the making in itself. Madhu Kavirappaa has never got a super raid in his first raid.
जी हाँ, पहली रेड यहाँ पर सुपर रेड और नवीन जैसा थोड़ी देर के पहले पश्चात ऑफ डिस्कशन वहां पर था कब आया और लोकेश गुजरिया अगर वहां सपोर्ट करने आए तो वहां पर भी शिकार बना। मधु कवीरप्पा ने एक बहुत ही ड्रीम स्टार्ट जरूर को मिली है, बट यहाँ
For all that tackle that went across was not right. It was really not right because it was a good start and Devanathan. You see, once you get some chance to prove yourself, try and have patience. Kiran BS running and touch on Bhagat. He's gone into the lobby as well. Stops swearing on the match.
गगन गौड़ा पहली रेड पर आपको नजर आएंगे इस मुकाबले की। मधु कवीरप्पा ने बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत की थी और बड़ा आसान सा यहाँ।
You know, he was also alone. He always, everybody are. See, that's a problem. Even this total Humpy Heroes unit. Devanathan goes for a diving double ankle hold. That is very, very rare. So somewhere the change of. Yeah, right. Anuj Saini, don't give him the touch point. He's the last man standing. He feels that he's a raider. Don't allow him to get that feel. Can you guys? Until now, that he's a raider. Don't allow him to get that feel. Can you guys? Until now, come on. Krishna hand touched.
सुपर टैकल इस समर एडिशन में किए लोकेश गुजरिया और अनुज सैनी, बहुत अच्छे कॉर्नर्स है। किरण बीएस, इनकी क्या एक्सीलेंस काम आ पाएगी इस बार?
He should be smart enough and go back. Oh, that's good. Lokesh Gosalia. Zero friendship and zero coordination between, the Humpy Heroes' team. And I really want that to happen. Oh my God, Devanathan has been pushed over by Anuj Saini.
Number 18 out.
Oh my God.
बहुत तेज रफ्तार से भागते हुए आ गए थे देवनाथन। वहां पर देखिए अनुज सैनी सिर्फ यहाँ पर हल्का सा स्लाइड टर्न किया, टर्निंग द पेजेस अराउंड जो आप अमूमन वहां पर बात करते हैं, थोड़ा ओवर
Being greedy because Anuj Saini will be watching the legs. He's squatting out there, and once again, Harshit, stop setting up the stage.
ये क्या हो रहा है बार बार? मैं दो बार वहां पर टीम को ऑल आउट से बचाया, बट नवीन चलिए हम्पी हीरोज के मैच के बाद वन मोर टाइम। Oh!
Not come to you for the block, Kiran. Go with Anuj Saini. No, don't do this. Don't do this. 3 times Anuj Saini has saved Periyar Panthers. He should have gone in for Anuj Saini. Oh, I don't see this going in the Humpy Heroes' way with the way their defense is not coordinated. What's that? What's that? Again, Devanathan.
पहली बार ऐसा इतिहास में देखा है नवीन।
Either get super tackled out. Yeah, that's better. That's at least much better. Don't give us 5 in a row.
Super tackle.
Really, don't give us 5 in a row. Because now, if Anuj Saini could have been there, he would have definitely got a touch point. That's so much of confidence I have on the Humpy Heroes defense.
15 in, 8
the
out.
confidence of Humpy Heroes defense, क्योंकि बिल्कुल इतना हाईलाइट नवीन क्यों? अब रोहित यादव थोड़ा सा डिफेंस काम डाउन रहने की आवश्यकता होगी।
Oh my God, 2 points. No coordination.
2 point.
When you go with
Number 14 and 6 out.
who are these girls whistling for? Are they supporting the Periyar Panthers? And they have come here, I think, to probably, man, it's just a push. It's not even a touch. It's a push. It's a strong push. 8, I should tell you. Because every time he got 4 touch points, now he's brought back 4 on the match. So 8 people he's brought back on the match in a 2-order raid. Come on.
अब की आवाज आई है, रोहित यादव आए हैं पेरियार पैंथर्स के लिए और हम्पी हीरोज को शायद कहते हैं ना कि वो इरिटेशन वाली जो आपने बात की या फिर थोड़ा सा चिढ़ाने वाली बात वहां पर की गई, पर रोहित यादव इस बार रेड पर हैं। यहाँ अगर पॉइंट मिलता है और लगातार सब चिल्लाते हैं और चिल्लाने की आवाज आई।
Yeah, because they have broken their hearts. Not just the girls, they have broken everybody's hearts. And they deserve to be irritated. लोकेश गोसलिया
मौजूद है, अब सुपर टैकल का मौका होगा। मोनू प्रसाद और लोकेश गुसलिया वहां पर है। मोनू प्रसाद ने फिर से टैकल इनिशिएट किया था, लोकेश गुसलिया ने इस बार एंकल को कट।
Do anything. Not doing anything is very, very huge than doing something unwanted. I told to not do anything, but finally the second line discuss tomorrow. Yeah, all the very best, Periyar Panthers. Come on.
पर और यहाँ एक बार फिर से बैक के किरण बीएस मोनू प्रसाद को शायद वहां बाहर शिकार बनाया और कुछ जेंटलमैन जरूर हम्पी हीरोज को और वहां सपोर्ट करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं।
They know it because Madhu Kavirappa, nice scorpion kick. Wow, brilliant.
दो प्रॉपर डिफेंडर है, फिर से स्टेज सेटअप है, पर इस बार लोकेश गोसलिया की एंकल होल्ड उतना कारगर साबित हो जाएगा कि शायद तेजा नायक की जिमिंग एक्सपीरियंस काम नहीं आ पाए।
And the people are happy here. They are right here to irritate the Humpy Heroes. And they are doing a good job. Ankle hold, brilliant. You can't escape from that one.
Please come.
No crocodile can escape what is Teja Nayak.
17
I've seen Lokesh
55
Gosalia
now.
catch crocodiles like that. Full Seni is coming. Now one Seni has done his job. The other Seni, can he do this? Kicks and just falls in the lap.
हम्पी हीरोज को रेट में मिले, टैकल पॉइंट्स 5 मिले हैं हम्पी हीरोज को और एक्स्ट्रास के 2 पॉइंट्स को पेरियार पैंथर्स ने।
You have filled a lot of confidence in me.
जी और कोच के लिए जरूर थोड़ी सी मुश्किलात हो सकती है वहां पर यहाँ एक अच्छी जंप है, किरण बीएस फिर से अच्छी जंप। नवीन, ये कोइंसिडेंस कैसे हो सकता है? किरण बीएस हमेशा 2 के डिफेंस में गए हैं और अनुज सैनी के साथी डिफेंडर को उन्होंने शिकार बनाया है।
5th time this is happening. And it's all the time is Kiran BS. Understand what is wrong with him. Why are you not attacking Anuj Seni? Right. 4 times that's happened. 5th time in Ham.
ये मेरे समझ के बाहर है।
Harshit, you've gone to Greek and Latin. For me, mathematics is Greek and Latin. This is once again happening. Again, Anuj Seni is left out. 5 times he's already saved the Periyar Panthers. And look at the confidence of Puran. He is speaking Greek language today. He's saying, Anuj Seni, go red. You will get a super 10. Imagine 5 touch points already.
आ रहे थे, अब लेफ्ट रेड के तौर पर उन्होंने शुरुआत की, बोनस का प्रयास, फिर से कृष्णा पर टच, ये सिक्सर है।
Go for it. Rohit Yadav is not coming towards you. He's saying rukja, rukja. Anuj Seni is asking Rohit to rukja. Rukja, kick and gone. Go back. That's okay. Go to Rohit Yadav. He's saying sorry. He's saying sorry. Sorry, bhai. Also he says.
Number 7 now.
Yeah, finally. Finally.
और आखिरकार संग्राम को भी विश्वास हुआ है वहां पर, कृष्णा को वहां पर विश्वास हुआ है। देखिए किरण बीएस किक बहुत अच्छी थी, जरूर इसके बाद क्षमा भी मांगी क्योंकि छाती पर थोड़ी तेजी से लगी होगी, बट ये उतनी तेजी से नहीं लगी।
They're not roughly arrows. Oh God. He's trying everything that he knows, but he's not able to get anything. Jump. Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that?
क्योंकि मैच ही ऐसा बन चुका है ना नवीन, और स्कोर देखिए कब से पेरियार पैंथर्स ऑल आउट के आसपास है, फिर भी स्कोर बराबरी पर है, कोई लीड वहां पर हम्पी हीरोज के लिए नहीं है। यह एक बहुत अच्छी जंप थी। नवीन, मैं सोच रहा हूं कि आज वार कौन सा है, शायद शुक्रवार शनिवार।
Dance around in the defense of Humpy Heroes. And Rohit Yadav now once again, I'm sure he will get a point. Oh, finally an all trot. You know, Humpy Heroes were only 12. And Periyar Panthers came back to be 12 all. Ankle hold! And he does not cross the midline. For me, he's not crossed it.
Red is safe.
Red is safe.
3 point.
Super red. I think Periyar Panthers can
Number
challenge
15.
this.
5
It
and 6
looked a little dicey.
अच्छा, रोहित यादव ने ग्रिप अच्छी की थी बट सपोर्ट में बहुत लेट आया और वहां पर कोई चैलेंज पेरियार पैंथर्स ने किया नहीं है। इस रिव्यू की तरफ किरण बीएस के खाते में सुपर हिट। देखते हैं रोहित यादव ने एंकल होल्ड शुरू किया।
Yeah, left cover comes across with the dash. There no hand that has been crossing over the midline. There it does. Oh, after Rahul Chaudhary.
आपको नजर आ रहे हैं, शायद जल्दी 28 नजर आएगा जो हो चुका है, 22-28 नवीन है। पर चलिए हम्पी हीरोज ये गेम अफोर्ड कर सकता है क्योंकि उनको लिए वहां पर।
Thanks, AVS Ram. Again. This time there is coordination. No, there is not. There is no coordination. We have seen a number of Kabaddi Kamal moments. And this is a 5-pointer raid. My God. This is Herculean. I first time felt that there is some coordination with the Humpy Heroes and the crowd are really happy. They have come out here and said how Kabaddi should not be played. First page is turned on Ritik. Then Sudarshan goes in. Then Madhu goes in. I just thought the coordination worked out. Nobody takes care of the dangling leg. Teja Naik comes across, leaves the legs alone. Unbelievable. This is a 5-pointer raid. There's no...
वो लीड बराबर हो चुके हैं, पॉइंट्स बराबर हो चुके हैं, 28-28 नवीन।
And Kiran BS
इकलौते खिलाड़ी बचे हैं, तो अब जो लीड है वो लगभग पेरियार पैंथर्स के पक्ष में जाती हुई नजर आएगी। जरूर कृष्णा प्रयास करेंगे, पर ये तो देखना ही था।
Rohit Yadav. And here Madhu Kavirappa does the same thing.
Let us say
And now,
3 points.
look at that. There's a competition. There's a competition between the girls. Did you see that? It's a super raid that's happened. The crowd is divided there. The yellow girl has got some support. And some are Humpy haters, some are Humpy lovers there.
या और यहाँ पर फिर से रोहित यादव ने एंकल होल्ड करने की कोशिश की। पिछली बार भी इस खिलाड़ी ने गलती की थी। आप रेडर के तौर पर बहुत अच्छा कार्य कर रहे हैं, बट यहाँ मधु कवीरप्पा के टेंगलिंग हैंड का टेक केयर नहीं में, पर अभी भी स्कोर सिर्फ बराबर हुआ है।
No, she's convinced. Oh my God! Ritik! Am I able to believe my eyes?
Let her out.
Left cover
Point.
comes across,
Humpy
double thigh hold. Brilliant work.
परफेक्ट एंटरटेनमेंट की खदान रहा है ये मुकाबला। एक बार फिर से जैसे ही सरदार चौधरी जा रहे थे, ऋतिक उनकी दोनों थाइस
And the defender handle it out. They are both in the chain, and under the chain, Dubki does not work. Anuj Saini has not forgotten that he is a defender. It's another super tackle. Third super tackle
2 points.
for the Periyar Panthers.
नवीन इतने मुझे थोड़े सुस्त नजर आए इस बार किरण बीएससी। देखिए वहां खड़े रहे, आसानी के साथ एंकल कट करने का मौका, क्योंकि उनके राइट हैंड साइड में बहुत गैप था, वहां से वो निकल कर आ सकते थे, बट वो चेन के अंदर से जाने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया। तो हम्पी हीरोज
I think Anuj also is tired. Saying, how many times do I go and get points is not right. I think 3 points. He's got the bonus and 2 points. Yes, super raid. First anti-block on the left cover. Brilliant, Rohit Yadav.
Strategic timeout.
ओके, कृष्णा भी बाहर गए हैं। पहले टोटच का प्रयास था, पीछे से आकर कृष्णा। एटलीस्ट ये भी समझना बेहद जरूरी है, अगर 1 पॉइंट जा रहा है तो क्या आप उन्हें गिफ्ट में 2 पॉइंट दे रहे हैं। और कितना अच्छा लगता है ना नवीन, जब हमारे पेरेंट्स को दिखाएं कि ये मेरा प्रोडक्ट है, यानी कि इस पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ।
Totally. And that too.
है अब नकुल सैनी को मौका मिला है इस डू और डाई रेड पर जाने का। एक सैनी ने बहुत अच्छा किया है, जिनका नाम अनुज राय। क्या ये नकुल भी अच्छा कार्य कर पाएंगे?
Of those kicks as Teja encircled in. He was blind. Okay, talking about some true kabaddi skills here. See, that live example. I'll explain it to you with live example. Lokesh Gosalia. Oh, does not retrieve back in time. He's crossed the midline.
Humpy Heroes. Jersey
Humpy
number 9.
Heroes once again. Madhu Kavirappa gets a super raid. It's a third super raid for the captain. And this is a magnanimous raid. And the crowd are trying to get behind him.
नवीन मुझे लग रहा है हम झूला झूल रहे हैं। कभी मुकाबला पेरियार की तरफ, यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लेफ्ट टर्न किया। सबसे अच्छी बात है
Prishita, she is a 400-meter track runner. Her record dash. If you're running 400 meters, his daughter is having a record of 59 seconds. But Kiran BS does not even have 1 second. Look at the joy and look at the girl in yellow. She is silent. The crowd is divided today. The house of the legislation is completely divided with the ruling party and the opposition party.
Periyar Panthers.
And the ruling party until today was Humpy Heroes. Suddenly they have become opposition party today.
नवीन मुझे अब ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि इन सब में बैट भी हो सकती है कि
And suddenly today they have turned into an opposition party. Teja Nayak wants to cross. He does cross. 2 points. And look at that. Look at that. They're irritating her. That is nice. Don't shift the cameras from that, girls. Put out a dedicated camera out there. The camera crew. Oh, she's been hurt on the back. All the pinching, all the shouting in her ears. Forget all this replays.
Substitution.
Teja
Periyar Panthers.
kicks. Nakul Saini. No. It was Rohit Yadav. Come
71.
on. Yeah, Rohit Yadav had to go for it. 2 points for Teja Nayak. But
तालियां बजाएगा कौन नहीं बजाएगा, पर किरण बीएस हाँ 1 पॉइंट दे दिया, यानी कि अब एम्प्टी रेड
Humpy
आएगी।
Heroes. Number 6
yeah,
out.
correct. 41. Oh my God! This is marvelous. Everybody are on their feet, and it's a tackle. They are celebrating in the aisles. But I'll tell you something. This is just a tie. Oh no! Oh no!
ऑल आउट।
All out! And Humpy Heroes have won this. Can you believe this? This is unbelievable scenes in the Chamundi Vihar Indoor Stadium. And look at the house that has been divided. Oh my God! The Heroes have divided the house. And look at And look at that. The tackle points for the Periyar Panthers are higher. But he had gone for some trials. Hampi Heroes won it. Today Gagan Gowda did not play. Just
निश्चित तौर पर बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था और इसी के बीच में हम ये भूल गए नवीन कि लोकेश गुसलिया भी आ
is it for real? Right, that's the final points table of the challenger round.